In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shared mailbox calendar in Outlook. Open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and sign in with your admin account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and expand Teams and Groups. From the options there, click Shared Mailboxes. On the Shared Mailboxes page, click Add a Shared Mailbox. Now enter the mailbox details. In the Name field, type the name you want this shared mailbox to use. Then move to the email address field and enter the mailbox address you want to create. Leave the domain set to your default domain, just as it appears. When both fields are filled in, click Save Changes. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know the shared mailbox has been created. It can take a moment to propagate, so give it a brief moment while the system finishes setting it up. Next, open the settings for the shared mailbox you just created. In the Settings area, find Members and click Edit. Then click Add Members. You'll now choose the team members who should have access. Select the users you want to include, then click Save. Those selected users now have access to the shared mailbox and its calendar. After that, click the back button in the top left corner to return to the previous view. Scroll down to the section labeled Manage Mailbox Permissions. In that section, click Send as Permissions. Here, double-check that the same members you added are also listed here. This confirms those users can send emails and calendar invites that appear to come from the shared mailbox. Now, switch over to the Outlook website. Feel free to pause and copy the pinned comment. Once Outlook is open, sign in with one of the member accounts that you added to the shared mailbox. After signing in, click the calendar icon in the left sidebar to move into the calendar view. In the left panel, click Add Calendar. A panel will open with different ways to add a calendar. Choose Add from Directory. You'll now need to search for the shared mailbox by name. Click into the search field and type the shared mailbox name you created earlier. As the results appear, select the shared mailbox from the list. Then look for the Add To dropdown and choose Other Calendars. With that destination selected, click Add. A confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the panel saying the calendar has been added. Once you see that message, close the Add Calendar panel. If the shared mailbox does not appear in the search results right away, that usually means it is still propagating. That can take a few minutes after creation. In this setup, it has already been configured so it appears right away. Now look in the left side calendar list and find the shared calendar under Other Calendars. Confirm that the shared mailbox calendar appears there. If the checkbox next to it is not already selected, click the checkbox to turn it on. As soon as it's checked, the shared calendar will overlay onto your current calendar view. Any events added to that calendar will be visible to all members who have access. At this point, the shared mailbox calendar is visible in Outlook under Other Calendars, and the setup is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Any member who was added to the shared mailbox can follow the same process in Outlook to add the calendar to their own view. They just need to sign in with their member account. Go to Calendar. Click Add Calendar. Choose Add from Directory. Search for the shared mailbox name. Select it. Set the Add To dropdown to Other Calendars. And click Add. Once they do that, the calendar will appear in their Other Calendars section as well. When they enable the checkbox beside that calendar, it will display in their calendar view the same way. Events created on this shared mailbox calendar are visible to every member in real time, so everyone added to the mailbox is looking at the same shared schedule. That means the calendar is now ready to use from Outlook for all the members you added during the setup in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center.